Did you know that in 1932, Australia declared war on this bird? Yeah, you heard that right. The bird species name is emu. Those large flightless birds were causing major problems for farmers by destroying crops. In an attempt to control the emu population, the government sent soldiers armed with machine guns. The operation became known as the Great Emu War, but it didn't go as planned. The emus were defaced and scattered, making it difficult for the soldiers to effectively target them. Despite their best efforts, the soldiers couldn't win. The emus were just too clever.